Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor, and this is the place we show you some hopefully pretty good cocktails. If you haven't been here before, stick around. Today we're making a nice refreshing cocktail, and we're breaking the summer rule of going white liquors. Today we're actually going to use some apple flavored whiskey. So make sure, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment, but most importantly, come on, grab a seat at the bar and let's get pouring the Apple Spritz. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker glass. This cocktail is nice and easy. It's got a few simple ingredients, and the first and most important one we're using is Crown Royal Apple. It's a delicious Canadian blended whiskey, got a great apple flavor to it. We're going to be putting in there a splash of pineapple. What's better than one apple? 2 pineapples. We're going to use some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We got a nice apple for garnish. And we're going to top that off with some seltzer water to give it some bright, refreshing flavors to it. So let's start off. First ingredient going in there is our freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best, and we're going to put in there 3/4 of an ounce. I'm going to follow that up next with just a little bit, just a splash of pineapple juice, and I'm going to say probably 1/4 of an ounce is going in there. Next, we are going to use the Crown Royal Apple, and for that we're giving that a good pour, a full 2 ounces. Now what I want to do is get some ice in there. Let's ice it up and chill it down. Just a 10-second shake is all you're going to need on there to make it nice and cold. Now I'm going to get my glass out. We're going to use a highball glass in there. We're going to fill that about halfway up with ice. And now we pour. Let's top that off with a little bit more ice. And now for our seltzer water, we're just going to top that off. We're going to incorporate that. Now to finish it up, we're just going to put a garnish on there. What I've done today is some apple slices. Now if you cut your apple slices and you're going to let them sit out for a while, put a little bit of lemon on there. That'll help keep them fresh. But there is today's cocktail, the Apple Spritz. Let's give it a taste. Oh, I love Royal Crown Apple. It's always bright, it's always refreshing. It is a great whiskey. It's mild. This one has got a great refreshing taste. You've got that effervescence in there to lighten it up, make it a great summertime sipper. Cheers everybody, we'll see you at the next cocktail.